So let me show you how to set music or how to set any song as a ringtone on your Xiaomi 17 or 17 Pro. So if you go into settings and then under settings, go to sound and touch, tap on that, and then go to ringtone. And then you should see plenty of ringtones here. Now keep in mind that you can select one ringtone for either SIM card in case you have a dual SIM setup. You can see I have SIM 2 and my SIM 1 here. So let's say I want to set the music ringtone for my SIM 1. Okay, so you can see all these options. Just tap on more, and then you can have these options where you can choose either a ringtone online or you can choose a local ringtone. So tap on local, and that's gonna give you the option, either the voice recorder or the audio files saved on your phone. So if you tap on that, you can see this is a song I had downloaded. I can select it, and you can see that's now been added as my ringtone. So that is basically how to add any song as a ringtone on your Xiaomi 17 or 17 Pro. Thanks for watching and good luck.